Everyone glamorizes solo travel. Sunsets, spiritual awakenings, journaling under waterfalls. But you know what they don't show you? The hard stuff, the awkward stuff, the lonely, liberating, confusing, unforgettable stuff. Today on Travelpedia Guide, we dive into 7 brutally honest truths about solo travel that no one warns you about, until you're stuck crying in a 4-bed hostel because your power bank died. Let's go. Truth number 1. Solo travel gets lonely, even when you're surrounded by people. Instagram says you'll find yourself, but sometimes you just find yourself, alone at dinner while couples kiss across from you. You'll walk crowded streets, be around tourists, locals, music, yet feel invisible. And it hits hardest at night. No one to talk to, laugh with, or share that amazing street food with. But here's the twist. You learn to enjoy your own company. You become your own best friend. That's power. I once spent New Year's Eve in Budapest, watching fireworks alone while my Airbnb host's cat ignored me. Truth number 2. You'll feel unsafe more often than you admit, especially at night. No matter how brave you are, there are moments that feel sketchy. Sketchy alleys, over-friendly strangers, that "are you lost" taxi driver vibe. As a solo traveler, especially if you're a woman, your senses go full ninja mode. You'll check door locks twice. You'll fake phone calls. You'll pretend your friend is just behind you. It's not paranoia, it's survival smarts. And it teaches you to trust your gut hard. Always arrive at a new city before dark. Night plus new place plus solo, recipe for regret. Truth number 3. Eating alone sucks at first, but becomes your power move. First time you enter a restaurant alone, you'll feel like the waiter's judging you, the couple's whispering about you, and the universe just shouted, "Table for one, loser." But over time, you stop faking phone calls. You order what you want. You even enjoy people watching. Soon, you're not just eating alone, you're owning the room. Bonus, you don't have to share dessert, ever. I once pretended to be a food critic just to feel less awkward. The waiter brought extra bread, 10-10, would fake again. Truth 4. You'll make travel friends, but most are temporary. You meet someone cool at a hostel. You explore the city together. It feels like you've known them for years. Next morning, they're gone. On a different train, different direction, maybe never to be seen again. It's beautiful and heartbreaking. Solo travel teaches you to embrace temporary connections, moments that matter, even if they don't last, and you learn to love deeply and let go easily. They were in just one chapter of your journey, and that's okay. Some people are meant to be a sunrise, not a lifetime. Truth number 5. You'll face decision fatigue hard. When you travel solo, you make every single decision. What to eat, where to go, how much to spend, when to walk, when to rest, every hour. Sounds freeing until you're standing in a train station, starving, exhausted, and unable to choose between tacos and a sandwich. You start to miss those silly travel arguments like, "You decide." No, you decide. You realize decision fatigue is real, and so is travel burnout. One day, I spent 30 minutes debating gelato flavors and just walked away with gum. Truth number 6. Getting sick while solo is a nightmare. You're in Thailand, you eat that spicy shrimp soup that probably winked at you, and boom, food poisoning. No one to hold your bag, run to the pharmacy, or refill water. You're sick, alone, and suddenly Googling, "Can you die from diarrhea in Bali?" This is the dark side of solo travel. It's rough, it's real, but you survive and come out stronger and smarter, with a new respect for bananas and electrolyte packets. Always carry meds. The day I discovered rehydration salts? Game changer. Truth number 7. You'll come back changed, and not everyone will get it. You return home with wild stories, new values, and a deep sense of growth. But people back home, they're talking about TV shows, traffic, and office drama. You feel like an alien with a passport, like you left your old self behind in Vietnam or Peru. Solo travel transforms you, and not everyone's ready for that version of you, but that's okay, because now you know who you are, and you'll never travel through life the same way again. Some people collect souvenirs, you collected a new you. Which one of these truths hit you the hardest? Have you faced these solo travel shocks yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share your solo travel wins or fails. And hey, if you want more real talk and real places with a side of humor, don't forget to subscribe to Travelpedia Guide. Your next solo trip starts with this channel. Stay bold, stay safe, and always pack snacks. This is Travelpedia Guide, where every journey, even a solo one, feels a little less lonely.